All right, so welcome back. And right now we're in a more favorable La Nina pattern where the storms are coming down at us from the Pacific Northwest. And also we had a pattern that was more favorable La Nina earlier in February. And then remember around Christmas into January, those really cold, snowy patterns, that's when everything lined up for the type of winter that was expected. But take a look at this winter weather blasting up through Monarch Canyon. Very heavy snow with wind. We've got a little snow up on McDonald Pass, but this activity will increase as that front is now approaching the North Hills here in Helena. Taking a live look outside, 37 degrees, still west wind at 23 miles per hour. Up in Great Falls, cameras caked over. We've got wind gusting to 41 miles an hour, 29 degrees. It was in the low to mid 40s earlier today in Great Falls, but of course now that front has pushed through. It's not terribly cold here yet, but cold enough for snow to come down. North to north winds where we're behind that front, out ahead of the front, wind generally out of the west. And we've got a winter weather advisory where you can see most of that shade of purple there for central and western Montanas. 2 to 4 in the lower elevations, as much as 10 into the mountains. Very active on the radar over the last several hours. Monday morning didn't start like that, but there you can see that line of snow continuing to work its way south. Helena, up there around the Sebin Flats area, just starting to see that snow coming down. Wolf Creek Canyon, I can imagine, is a bit of a mess right now. Difficult travel through Interstate 15, of course, up around Great Falls. Maybe a little brief precipitation beginning as rain, but quickly going over to snow. And we've got some snow that is actually now beginning to taper off or lighten up here along the High Line. Central Montana, Choteau County, Judith Basin County, Fergus County, looking at that snow increasing here, and a little snow up in northeast Montana. It's covering the ground and the roads up there around Hayes and Zortman. However, a lot of the Glasgow area, immediate area, should miss some of this snow kind of ducking underneath you here. But over the next several hours, moderate to occasionally heavy snow with that line moving further south. And then the snow really continues right along the Continental Divide as we go through the overnight hours. Some snow, Great Falls out through Lewistown, but a lot of the High Line, even tomorrow morning, most of that snow will be well on off towards the south, traveling on Interstate 15 over Monida Pass or west of Missoula over Lookout or Lost Trail passes. Snow-covered roads for tomorrow. The snow breaking up some as we go through Tuesday afternoon, and then heading into Wednesday. Cold start to the morning. A lot of us will be down below zero, but we'll still have a few snow showers popping as we go through the afternoon and the evening. Some instability snow showers. It is March and that sun angle is getting higher. But look at all the snow, mainly central and western Montana. Difficult travel over the Continental Divide, and look at that right along the Rocky Mountain front there, just west and south of Augusta, some pretty heavy snow. And then more mountain snow Thursday night into Friday and Saturday night into Sunday. So certainly good news for the mountain snowpack, maybe not so much precipitation out across the plains. Cold, snowy for a lot of the north central part of the state, northeast Montana, missing out on some of that snow. Lewistown, periods of heavy snow. Same with the Helena area through the overnight. Tomorrow, steadier snow in the south central, southwestern part of the state. Much colder, teens and 20s for highs. Wednesday, single digits and teens. That's really cold here for March. We've got a few snow showers that will fly, but most of the accumulation comes tonight into tomorrow morning. Thursday, a little mountain snow, cold, windy, might have some blowing snow issues, and then heading into Friday, the western mountains seeing snow. That warm front will push temperatures up heading into the start of the weekend, 54 Saturday, but we could have some wet snow across a lot of the Helena area and also Great Falls as we get into Sunday. And of course, this weekend, we spring forward.